What a gorgeous day to film another episode of Going Off Track. This is a series that I've created where I'm documenting the reconstruction of my RC monster truck track. If you haven't checked out episode 3, then I will put a link to it in the top right corner. What we did was we finally got all of the dirt moved away from these large wooden inserts that I had, which acted as fillers, if you will, to put dirt over, and that way we didn't have to use quite as much dirt for the monster truck ramps. And now what we're left with is a giant pile of dirt, which we can use to start building the new ramps on the track. Before we can do any of that though, I need to get both of these big wooden inserts off of the track, and then we're going to fire up the loader and we're going to start scraping the ground to create a flat level surface to start building on. And the sound kit on the loader is actually not working anymore. I don't really know why. I think maybe a wire might have come undone. But as you can see, it's on even though the sound kit isn't actually functioning anymore. So now there's hardly any remains of the previous ramps that were on the front of the track, but now it all comes down to this cinder block right here. This cinder block is going to be the backflip ramp, and it's going to be positioned somewhere right around here. In addition to being a backflip ramp, it's also going to act as a cornerstone or a turning point in the racing layout. So that green box right there is meant to resemble the backflip ramp. But to show you in real life, right there is where the cinder block used to be on this track. It's going to be moved to about right there in the center of the frame right there. So I'm thinking push it down maybe another 2 feet and we should be right where we want it. So after going in with a shovel just to pack it down and make it look a little nicer, this is what the ramp now looks like. The loader did a fantastic job at creating the foundation for this cinder block to sit on, and it did a great job at getting dirt on the sides of it. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do want to make a quick little announcement, which is that we're going to be taking a quick 2-week break from the Going Off Track series, and I will resume after Christmas. I hope everybody has a great holiday, and I will see you in the next one.